Welcome back to our channel. If you're craving that lush tropical vibe but don't want to wait ages to achieve it, we've got you covered. Check out these super cool plants that grow bushier and lusher in no time. First up, the Heart Leaf Philodendron is your go-to for quick lushness thanks to its rapid growth and cascading vines, perfect for hanging baskets. With its emerald green leaves and trailing growth, Natal Ivy is an easy way to bring lushness to your indoor space. Keep an eye out for the spider plant, known for its arching green and white striped leaves. Not only is it a speedy grower, but you can also propagate it quickly for a mini ecosystem of its own. Peace lily is admired for its lush deep green leaves and stunning white blooms. It multiplies rapidly, making this plant a standout in any indoor garden. Swiss cheese vine brings a touch of the wild indoors with its fast-growing bushy appearance. It's a must-have for adding some greenery to your space. Golden pothos, the king of quick growth, is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in low light and grows rapidly, filling your space with lush greenery. Don't overlook ferns, they're rapid growers too. Kangaroo fern in particular adapts well to various light conditions, making it a versatile addition to any indoor garden. Looking for a resilient succulent? Crassulus bathyllata is your answer. This speedy grower is perfect for beginners and requires minimal maintenance. The weeping fig is both rapid growing and elegant, with arching branches and glossy green leaves. You can even braid its branches for added visual interest. Fiddle leaf fig, a rare gem with large leaves that instantly elevates any room with a foresty vibe. Its massive size makes a big impact. The bird of paradise is a must-have for that signature tropical look indoors. While a bit more challenging to maintain, its large banana-like leaves and amazing flowers make it worth the effort. Last but not least, the string of pearls. With its unique bead-like leaves, this cascading gem looks lush, especially when grown in hanging baskets.